Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on your Best Buy account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. Now from the homepage, click on the user ID or the login button at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to add a payment method onto your account, click on your user ID once again and then click on Payment Methods. This will then take you into the Payment Methods page where you can just click on the Add a Payment Method button. You will now be asked to enter the credentials for your payment method. Just enter your credit or debit card number and also enter your billing address. This includes your first and your last name, as well as your full address, including your city, your state, and your zip code, as well as phone number. After you enter all of these information, just click on the Add Payment Method option. And after you verify your credentials, your payment method will be added onto your account right away. And now you can use this payment method in order to make your transactions and purchases on Best Buy. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a payment method onto your Best Buy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.